everyone. We're going to review forms of line. This is the most basic thing you do in Algebra 1. We need to be good at it in all your math classes. You might be asked to graph or write an equation of a line. So let me remind you, slope-intercept, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, that's rise over run. B is the y-intercept, so it's always 0, comma, b. Point slope. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. If it ever says write the equation of a line, you should use point slope. It's better. Use point slope. Okay? x1, y1 is some point on the line. This is the x-coordinate and y-coordinate of some point on the line. The minus sign is kind of tricky. I'll do examples with you. M is still the slope. Okay, you don't see the y-intercept. You have any point and any slope. Here you need to have the y-intercept. You don't for point slope. Point slope's better. Vertical lines are always x equals something and they have an undefined slope. It's x equals because if you think about a vertical line, if I pick 2 points on there, it'd be like 3, comma 1 and 3, comma negative 2. Guess what? X is always something, and this one it would be x equals 3. Similarly, horizontal lines are always y equals something, and they have a slope of 0, as in 0. It's a number. You can't say no slope. There is a slope. It's 0. Nothing has no slope. It's either undefined or it has a slope of 0. 0 is a number. Horizontal line looks something like this, and this would be like negative 4, 3, and then like 5, 3. Guess what? Y is the same, and this one, y would be 3. Okay, so we got horizontal lines, vertical lines, slope-intercept's fine, point slope's where it's at. When you're writing equations, to write the equation of a line, y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. So y minus, what's the y-coordinate? 2. The slope we're using, 1. X minus, what's the x-coordinate? Negative 18. X minus negative 18, we don't ever write that. We're going to put x plus 18. You're done. That's point slope. Y minus 20 equals m, negative 13 over 7. X minus negative 10, x plus 10. Done. Y minus negative 13, y plus 13. The slope is 5. X minus negative 11, x plus 11. That's it. Writing equations of lines is easy. Oh no, you got to graph them first. Okay, negative 6, negative 8's down here, right there. It's hard to see. This grid is pretty small. Maybe can I make it bigger? It's still not great. All right, we'll try again. Negative 6, negative 8 is right here. Negative 6, 5 is above it. Wait a minute. Those have the same x-coordinate. This is a vertical line. X equals negative 6. 8, negative 4. I'm going to make it bigger again. 8, negative 4 is right here. Negative 8, 8 is up here. All right, those are, I missed. Negative 8, 8 is right there. And now we'll need the slope, okay? This one, the slope is undefined. We didn't need to find it. Here, we got to count the slope. And the way you do that is you count rise over run. So if you're at 8 and you go down to negative 4, down here, you went down 12. And then if you run from negative 8 to positive 8, that's 16. So negative 12 over 16 reduces to negative 3 over 4. Now we have the slope. So y minus, it doesn't matter which one you pick. Let's do this one. Y minus negative 4, y plus 4 equals negative 3/4, x minus 8. But the cool thing about point slope is that there's more than one point, so there's more than one equation. You could also do this one. Y minus 8 equals negative 3/4. X minus negative 8 is x plus 8. Both of those are the same equation. They're just in, it's just 2 different points. Since you have infinitely many points, that's always going to work out like that. Okay. If you convert them to slope-intercept, they would have the same y-intercept, which is 2. That's what I was trying to figure out. Okay. All right, what if I don't give you a graph? You have to use the slope formula. Oh no, y2 minus y1. You're just subtracting. It doesn't matter what order you put the points in as long as you're consistent. So negative 8 minus 9, excuse the bell. Negative 8 minus 9, and then as long as I go the same way, I have to start here. Negative 3 minus negative 9, like that. That's negative 17 over 6. That's not going to reduce. So we'll just write it as y plus 8. Y minus negative 8 is y plus 8. Negative 17 over 6. X minus negative 3 is x plus 3. Or y minus 9. X plus 9. Those both work. Last one, find the slope. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, negative 9 minus 8. See how I went the other way? It doesn't matter. You just have to, if you put this one first in the top, you have to put its x component first as well in the bottom. It doesn't matter which order. I could just give them to you in a different order. 6 minus 4 is 2. Negative 9 minus 8 is negative 17. All right, so it's negative 17, whatever. Y minus 4 equals negative 2 over 17, x minus 8, or y minus 6 equals negative 2 over 17, x plus 9. It doesn't matter if you put the minus sign in the top or the bottom or out front. Those are all the same. You just don't put it in both because then that would be positive. Okay, so those both work. That's it for point slope. Crush your spiral review. Smash that like and subscribe button.